Here's the birds again.
Yeah. Which one? Which one? Let me pick it up. Is it you?
It was the white one.
Was it one of the white ones?
Yeah, it was the white one with the big white one.
Oh, there we go. That's a good girl. Remember the bird?
You need help him?
See the bird?
Oopsie.
He thinks that's really funny when it falls. Hi, birdie. Birdie? Isn't that cool? Yeah, he likes birdies. We're bird people, Harry and me. Baby.
You don't realize it.
Hi, birdie. Oh. I don't think you'll find you can really do that. Here, watch this. Yeah, I don't know if you're. You have to learn to be a little more polite. You can't go grasping. Here. If I could pin one of his arms down, make it not available, and then take the other arm.
I'm gonna keep the right
In your hand.
What are they doing? Into everything. Are they?
He likes that one especially. Is that pretty talking? Is that pretty saying something?
No, you want my dog. Oh, your dog. Okay. But I think she's half. She's very long.
It's up here. Oh! There he goes.
What do you think of that, huh?
Okay, let's see. Let's see him do it again. You ready?
What do we
You
do?
ready?
You want to see him on?
Yeah.
Waterproof. Water resistant.
Why that bird? What am I?
He's gonna laugh again. Are you laughing? He just loves them.
Why is that bird?
Oh, because he fell off my hand. Or off my back. Was he on my back or my hand?
Yeah, he jumped down. But that's
He jumped.
okay. Wait, let me get to this side.
Who put that in?